Hi everyone, I will be playing Roblox today with my grandson.
Hi.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go here on the hammer and
Hey,
start
Nana, we gotta
building.
explain what the game is first, right? Alright, so,
Go ahead.
let me see. So, this is, build a boat for treasure and Roblox, today. So, basically, you get your hammer right here and you build your boat with all the materials and stuff we have. We're only gonna use, like, wood and stuff because we're just starting out. So, yeah. You build a boat and then you launch it into rocks that will try to destroy your boat, and you have to get all the way to the end to the secret treasure to win. So yeah, that's how you play this game, and my grandmother is going to create a boat for us. So let me see your best boat.
Okay, here we go. I'm gonna take this block first. I'm gonna start here. Try to put them as even as we can.
Making a castle looking thing.
Cool. Oh no, that one went big.
Make sure not to use too much blocks. You only have a limited amount. Oh, look at that guy. See, look, that's that guy's boat. You can't build on this.
Now we could try to blow him out of the water.
We have cannons.
No, different blocks, huh?
Metals are more stronger.
Where?
106.
Hmm? Here?
106. Yeah.
Ooh. Build a small boat.
Have you guys ever seen this game before? I want to know in the comments. Like, what is your favorite thing to do in this game?
Nope. I'm going to take something out. Because she should be able to see when she's driving, right?
Mm-hmm. The boat can turn in any direction by the rock spinning it. And you also got to fill it in the middle.
I'll put in a chair for her to sit. Then we're going to go back to the metal blocks. Where are they?
77.
Okay.
Oh, look, there's another guy. See?
Now we're going to put her sitting in the boat. There we go.
Oh, he crashed.
Oh, too bad. Okay. Now we're going to launch Mr. Oops, we're going to take this block out of here. And we're going to launch
You're not
Mr.
gonna fill
Boat.
it in?
I filled it in.
Nuh-uh, not all
What?
of it.
What happened?
You didn't fill. What is that? What's that thing on the screen? That's a light bulb. Look around, remember. You can look around. Alright, I think that might be good.
Let's see.
The whole 360.
Oh, we got right there.
Just go all like this, watch.
Oh, I can't put it that high. She won't be able to see.
So now you created this character, right?
Yep.
Looks nice.
Okay. Now let's launch it.
We're gonna hit that. Boom.
Ooh. Got one brick out. Oh, look, Mickey Mouse's head.
See, look, those rocks are destroying the boat. Here, look at those rocks. Oh, see, look, the part of our boat just destroyed.
But we're still there.
Look alive, Dana. There's more stuff. So yeah, each time if you look on the right, there's a bar. Basically, that's like all the areas that you get past. Here, look. So you see that black wall right there? We could go past that. Oh, our boat's turning into pieces. We can go past that, and then that's another biome, and then at the end of the picture is treasure.
Okay, so now where are we going? We're going here
We're going to the flower.
already? Ah, Mr.
You
Boat.
can't turn the boat; it just goes. No, why? You jumped out. The
Ah,
water hurts you. Go in the seat.
uh-oh. I lost my butt.
What?
I lost my boat.
No.
Hurry up and catch your boat, lady. Where'd you go?
She died.
She croaked? Oh,
And then
snap.
each time we pass one, we get money. Claim the money. Then we build a whole nother one.
I don't want to build another one.
You want me to build one and then you test it out?
I don't want my girl to die.
Alright, let's see it. So, we're gonna build a car. So, just go up in the middle. And build it like some suspension upwards. Alright, and then we go like this. And just do a quick speed run build thing.
You're going to put in one suspension?
No, it's good. It's just lifted off the ground right now. And then we remove that part right there. And then grab. See, look, we got cannons. So, front wheels.
Well, you building a fancy. What?
And back wheels. And we're just gonna leave this as a platform. Well, actually, I can add a little bit more. So we add the front part. Yeah. So then we get a control seat. Then it controls those two wheels. And then basically to drive around, so to go forward it's the W key. To go left is the A key. The controls are right there.
Okay. Let's launch her. Poof. Knocked over one rock.
Drive it. Here, let me see. I'm gonna drive it. Watch. And then we drive all the way to the. Ah!
You flipped over.
Oh. Well, let's just hope that it flips over. Oh no, not the seat! The seat! Oh, the seat's gonna break. I get ready to jump back on the car. And yes, this is a car and water. Trying to move. Hey,
This game is crazy.
you think you might want to? You think they might want to see a different game?
Nah.
Maybe next time.
Maybe.
Still on the head.
Hey, if I can get through the game on my head, then I'm good.
Next part. These are new areas. Oh, no, no, no.
Oh no.
We're
Where
on
did
the
I
water.
go?
Oh, what the? Our car just jumped. It's trying to kill us. Ah!
Only got one tire
Oh, it's
left.
gonna pop again.
Oh dear.
That's the hammers, I think.
Oh.